In this video, we'll explore some use cases of the Mercuri API in Wix. Today, we'll set up Google Review automation via WhatsApp. Go to your Wix admin dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to Automations and click on Create Automation. Choose Start from Scratch. Next, choose a trigger. Since we want to send the feedback request after the order is delivered, select Order Placed as the trigger. To add the next step, click on the plus icon and select Delay as the action. Let's set a delay of 3 days, since we want the Google Review link to be sent 3 days after the order is delivered. Then click on Apply. Next, add a new step, the action. For the action, select Run Velo Code and then click on Start Coding. Enter a name for your JavaScript file. In the Velo code, you can integrate the Mercuri API. You can find the API reference in the Mercuri documentation under the Mercuri API section, or you can also access the code snippet under this video description. Copy the code and paste it into the Velo code editor. After pasting the code into your Velo editor, there are a few changes you need to make. First, update the secret name. In the line where you see Mercuri Messaging API key, replace it with the exact secret name you created in the Wix Secret Manager. Next, add your phone number ID. Replace the placeholder value in the code with the phone number ID you copied from the Mercuri dashboard. To get your phone number ID, go to Settings and then Channels. Under Channel Configurations, select WhatsApp. Find your registered number, click the little copy icon next to it, and choose Copy Phone Number ID. Paste the phone number ID corresponding to the phone number ID parameter. Now, add your template ID. To find it, go to Templates, then WhatsApp. Locate your template. Click on the 3 dots in the bottom right corner and select Copy Template ID. Replace the placeholder with the template ID you copied from the Mercuri dashboard. The payload view in Velo shows the data which Wix sends to your code, such as customer details like first name, last name, and phone number. You can use this data directly in your Mercuri template parameters. Click on Save. You've now set up the WhatsApp automation flow to collect Google reviews after order delivery. Finally, click Activate at the top right corner to make this automation live. Now, let's take a look at the customer experience. 3 days after the order is delivered, the customer automatically receives a WhatsApp message with a direct link to share their Google review. And that's it. Your Google Review automation using the Mercuri API is ready to go. Scan the QR code on your screen to book a free demo and get started today.